You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to pronounce this whiskey name and more names of distilleries, many mispronounced, including of Scotch, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. Daftmill. Yes, the T is silent if you've been wondering. It's not Daftmill, but Daftmill. Daftmill. Easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support immensely, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.